Hello, welcome everyone. I'm going to show you how you actually start about to go through a certain thing that we can start to use it whenever we have to start to go through a certain red lines. So we are those snapshots to start to move the object away from anchors. So really, we are about to start to go to the turn. Okay, so I don't know what kind of it. So the snapshots, we can see what snapshots are on the plugins, and then once you are those are snapshots, so we can see that also after you see those are snapshots, you move a project away from anchors, and this going to be like to have after you do this, you will start to turn off the snap geometry in the view menu when you ever start to see this possible, and then lines would disappear on the situation that you can see on this progress, and that's all about